How to redeem an Amazon gift card. Let's get started. First up, make sure you have already downloaded Amazon app in your device. If not, you can easily download this app from the App Store or Play Store. Once you download it, launch it, then log into your account using your Amazon account's credentials. Once you log into your account, you're going to land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Navigate to this one icon given at the bottom middle. With that, you will land to your profile page. Now here you're going to find different sections. Scrolling down, here you're going to find this section of gift card balance. Under that, you will find the option of redeem gift card. Click on that option. Now from this page, you are able to redeem your Amazon account's gift card. All you have to do is use any of these options, scan your claim code, or you can enter your code directly over here and apply it. If you want to scan it, click on this option. Your camera will open up. Now you can scan your gift card and the balance will be added to your account. Likewise, what you can do is you can enter your claim code over here, then click on apply to your balance. So this way you can easily redeem your gift card. Once redeemed, your gift card balance cannot be transferred to other accounts or used to purchase other gift cards. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.